Hello, guys. This video is for all those preparing for IELTS, an international standardized test of English language proficiency. Here we are going to show you how to attempt IELTS Writing Task 2 in 40 minutes. We have taken a sample question in the video and we are going to develop an essay from it. But before moving any further, let's tell you a few points about IELTS Writing Task 2 that will help you understand what the test is and how it is scored so that you can score somewhere between band 8 to 9. So, the first thing that you have to do is write an essay in response to a question. The word limit is 250, but you can exceed it a little bit. Task 2 is worth 2/3 of the total mark on the writing test. You will be assessed in 4 areas which are task achievement, coherence, and cohesion, lexical resource, and grammatical range and accuracy. You can be asked any type of question, such as opinion, discussion, argument, etc. The questions will be about common topics that most people are aware of. Now moving further, here's the sample question on which we are going to write an essay. To develop an essay, the first thing that we have to do is analyze the question. Identify the question type, keywords in the question, and instruction words to understand what the examiner wants. So, here the question type is opinion, the keyword is price, and instruction words are buying a product or service. After knowing all the requirements, it is recommended not to jump to the writing part. You should 5 to 10 minutes in planning for the essay. It will help you organize your ideas and make an outline for the essay. An ideal structure for IELTS essay is introduction, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, and conclusion. Now we will move on to the writing phase. In the introduction of the essay, you should repeat the question in your own words and give your views on the subject. Don't try to outthink yourself, just give your first instinct opinions as the examiner is only interested in the level of your English, not in your opinion. So, the introduction of the given question should be something like this. After expressing the opinion in the introduction, we'll move on to write a paragraph where we will back the opinion. You can include facts and examples in this paragraph to support the ideas. Start this paragraph with phrases like in my view, in my opinion, I am convinced that, from my point of view, personally, I believe that. The supporting paragraph for this question can be written as. After this, we will write another paragraph and present the opposite viewpoint in it. We will give other side of the arguments to show that the writing is balanced. This paragraph can be started with phrases like it can also be argued that, in contrast, some people believe that. Someone with the opposing view would say that. However, there is also another side to this discussion. Here's the second body paragraph of the essay. It's time to wrap up the essay. In the concluding paragraph, we will summarize the whole argument and restate the opinion again. We will also talk about the arguments in brief. No new idea should be introduced in the conclusion. So, the conclusion of the essay is. That's it, guys. We finally have the essay. But the work doesn't end here. It is important to check the essay after completing it to ensure there are no mistakes. IELTS test is to show your English language proficiency, so don't leave any grammatical, spelling or punctuation error in the essay. Also, check the structure of the sentences and the flow of information. We hope this video will help you with scoring a band 9 in IELTS test. Let us know your views in the comment section. Stay tuned for more such amazing videos.